Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. I want to let you know about a powerful day that we have coming to Las Vegas on July 22nd. This is going to be a hands-on workshop. Bring a laptop, bring a tablet, be ready to build and grow your business right there in the class, because what we're going to start with is become Google great. I'm going to share all of these free Google techniques that I have other agents all across the United States that are making an extra $100,000 to $200,000 a year over year with these tools. You don't want to miss this one. Then we'll take our lunch break. We'll come back. We'll do 7 ways to grow your business. Record for this class, father and son brokerage team added 1.4 million back to their bottom line in about 3 to 4 months. Both of those classes are open to everyone. So bring your guests, bring your recruits, bring your team. This is going to be a big one. And then in the afternoon session, something that's going to be exclusive for Keller Williams, we're going to show you how to generate recruiting leads while you sleep. We're going to focus on online recruiting. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks and techniques and a website platform that's going to help you to build massive wealth in your profit share. So I look forward to seeing you guys on July 22nd. All you got to do is RSVP below, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.